Hey YouTube family, this is Jasenia again. Welcome if you are new here. It's good to have you, and I'm back with another video. This time I wanted to show you how to make gorditas de leche condensada, so gorditas of a condensed milk, and it's super easy to make and it's a great dessert for the entire family. All you're going to need to make this are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of butter, in which I use salted butter. This should be at room temperature. I did also use 1 large egg, also at room temperature, 1 can of condensed milk, which was just a Kroger brand, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So you want to begin by incorporating your ingredients there. Okay, go ahead and mix everything together until well incorporated. Be sure to sprinkle flour on your counter. And then you'll want to knead for about 5 minutes or so until the dough no longer sticks to your hands. The next step is to form a round shape with your dough and just squeeze out a dough ball, pat it down, and set it on the counter. Of course, you want to ensure that you sprinkle just a little more flour on that area so it doesn't stick, and be sure to cover it with cling wrap for about 15 to 20 minutes while you finish making all of the rest of your dough balls. And repeat the process. Set your pan to low to medium heat and just space out your gorditas. So I just set 3 down and then I cover them with the lid and allow them to cook thoroughly. Of course, you'll then want to flip each one, and then cover again. You'll probably need like a total of about 4 minutes or so to cook these thoroughly. And of course, you will notice that your gorditas will rise in size during the process. These smell yummy and taste even better. They're perfect to pair with your coffee, champurrado, hot chocolate, or milk, whatever you would like. Feel free to drizzle these with more condensed milk or dulce de leche or strawberry jam or any type of jam. Really, it's really to your liking. Or honestly, you can leave them as they are and eat them just like that to enjoy with your entire family. Using this recipe, you will be making about 8 to 9 gorditas, but honestly, if you make them smaller, of course, more will come out of this recipe. But I do thank you very much for having been here and watching, and until the next time, bye.